1, 2, 3, go. This is a beach, and I walked here all the way from Haksa, basically on these rocks. So I didn't know I was going to come to this destination exactly. I thought I was going to go to another beach, but there's this one, and it's kind of cool. So yeah, basically I followed this path all the way over there, and we just went, and now we just came over here. So I'm going to show the whole adventure for you. It's in little pieces. I was trying to get on the GoPro and I couldn't get it. So, but anyways, there we go. Okay, we got this really cool temple, and I'm going to try to go over it and go over on these little mountain little area. Really spectacular over there, and then some. You're not supposed to go over there. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yep, up over there, over this hill, and then we're gonna go all the way to Haksa Beach, slowly, but it'll be cool. This is the path I'm gonna go. Please stay on your camera, get all this cool stuff. I don't know, man, this is my second GoPro, and I just keep having problems with them. They don't even last a year. I think there's a warranty for a year, and they last about 1 year. GoPro, man, what's wrong with American products? It's frustrating. It's hard to film, and you see this cool stuff, and I can't film it with a GoPro. Next is but I'm gonna use my camera. I'm basically just gonna jump on these rocks and bounce back and forth. And I saw this little ship that's sitting here. Here comes a boat coming in. It's kind of interesting because there's all these quarantines, right? So nobody can go in and out, but then you have like a boat going down the middle. So it's kind of cool. It does make you wonder about the story about this boat. It looks kind of rusted. Abandoned, baskets, junk, trash. But it's kind of hooked up here to this little thing. I don't know. You know, we're right next to the mainland, so it's hard to know if people just come through. And who knows? This sort of building is on the mainland China side too, so looks like something that should be a casino on the Macau side. So there's that. Maybe they're just waiting to be, you know, I have no idea. Sorry if we're going a little bit fast, but let's go down that one. And I don't know what that red one is over there. That's on the Zhuhai side, and then this little thing is on the Macau side. That little thing right there is, let's see if I can get my finger in there. I got my zoom in, so it's right there. But that's border control. So I guess they're watching barnacles. Tons and tons of barnacles. Oh, it's kind of rocky. So I don't know, why is those barnacles up so high? Does the water come in that high? Is there high tide? Am I going to get stuck out here? Nobody knows. But we're going to walk it anyways and see what happens. I guess worst case scenario is I have to go into whatever that is, into the forest. That's pretty cool. There's another one over on this side. And we're going to follow this coastline. So I don't know how long we're going to go, but probably 20-30 minutes. I don't know, let's see. I'll just turn on the camera sporadically. I have to get down from this top, from here down to there. I guess the path looks alright. On second thought, I'm going to guess that kids probably collect them and bring them from over here. Because these are basically just all shells. You don't really see shells anywhere else, so they're just accumulated in that one spot. So, let's see, there's somebody up there. Let's see, who's that? I think that's the person up there. Anyways, we're going to be walking down all that stuff. I don't know what that is. I don't know. It's a marker, I guess. Ships. So we're still walking along. I don't know how long we have to get, but there's some dogs on this side. Can you see those dogs? Maybe not. I can't even see it in the sunlight. Anyways, let's keep on going. I don't know what this is either, but it's some kind of bamboo thing. I think I thought I could hear some voices up there, so I don't know what that is there either. There's a flower that's on top here, so somebody put it there, and there's a plank over there for somebody to walk on. I don't know. Anyways, I hope the water doesn't go up too much, because I'm not sure how the tides work. We'll keep on moving. We better do that. Alright. Okay, let's don't lose your footing on this one. There's a boat coming in right here too, so that a Macau boat or China boat? I just never know. Anyways. Gotta be amazed how many shoes I keep seeing. I see a lot of shoes. I don't know if they just come up on shore somehow and it just kind of went around that spot. I was thinking, man, there must be a lot of snakes in that area. So I was trying to get through it a little bit. And they were slowly getting around. I don't know. Well, we'll just keep on moving on. But this is kind of this is the side. I'll put it on a map. Hopefully I'll put it on a map. If I don't, I'll put a link to the map. Okay, let's keep on moving. Okay. Oh boy. We hit it up fun. So we're just kind of traversing this little space here. I don't know what we're gonna come across up here. Let's see if I can get ahead. Good. Okay, this is a flat space. At least I got to go down and around. Okay. Pretty cool though. Okay, I think we made it to the other side. Well, we didn't really make it, but that's Haksai Beach right there. So then we can just follow this around. There's a guard up there. So if I can get up there, there's like a path. I don't know how I'll get up there, but there's a path up there. And that's Haksai Beach way down there. Oh man. I think that's Haksai. I don't know what it is, but we're definitely going to go up from here. Okay, so we're basically back at civilization from walking all those rocks, right? And now we just have to walk further to get to that beach. There's a little trail somewhere. We'll see if I can find it. Might not be able to. But anyways, you can hear some music up there. Feels weird to see buildings again, even though it was only like an hour ago that I didn't see them. It's kind of cool. So this one has like, I think it might be the hostel, except they're kind of young people, or they're a family that has a really cool apartment. But they have these little steps that go all the way down, and you can go all the way down to the water. So I'm gonna keep following this. Whew, I'm tired. Okay, I found something. This is a different beach. Coloane, I think, something like that. And Haksai is around the other way, so I guess that other way. I swear I went from Haksai all the way to Coloane, but I don't remember going through this beach. Maybe I did. I don't know. It's about 2 years ago. Anyways, definitely people walking around on this beach. Need some water real bad. Yep, pretty cool. Okay, this is our destination, so the sun's going down, so I guess that was about 2 hours. There's a nice beach that we come out to. There's a nice swimming pool too. So I haven't been in this swimming pool in like 7 years. I need to go there sometime. And here's the swimming pool right there. Or here's the beach. So yeah, this looks like a pretty nice beach to go to. Smaller than the other one, but probably a little bit, I don't know, looks pretty cool. Plus you can always have this beach if you want to swim in the water instead. And you have some housing up there too. Oh, it looks like it's open. Cool, okay, let's end it right there. Okay, so the GoPro is not working. I don't know why. But this is the end of this one. I was going to do a new video and just focus on this one and go through. If I had the GoPro, I definitely would. But this one isn't as good as one to walk around with. But we'll walk around a little bit with it. And you can see the beach in here. You can see the beach over there. It's evening time. So let's just take a look here. So you can follow this little path of these little Greek statues, and we're gonna go right into the beach right here. Yeah, it's so nice. Let's just follow this. We'll just do a short little video. But all the way down there is a pool. There's a swimming pool to the end. I guess we might as well do the whole video. I wanted to use my GoPro because it's has a nice stabilizer with it. But this is the one we're going to use today, which is okay too. Cactus. Yeah, the GoPro is something's not quite right with it. I think we can get something to drink up here. And there's a swimming pool all the way down there too. And there's this beach right here too. So maybe we'll just do a shorter one. It'd be better if I had the GoPro with me, but at least you get a taste for it. And so we also have this one called Restaurant La Gondola. It's pretty cool. Hello. So we got overlook the swimming pool and the beach as well. So it's pretty cool. So La Gondola. It's that kind of Venetian theme. So let's walk down this way and look, there's it right there. It's pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna end the hike. So we just climbed up these stairs and there's a mountain, there's the ocean. We're walking to the bus. So we're gonna end this one. Pretty cool. So up here is the bus. See where the bus stop is at though. There it is. Some people are gonna walk. But we're gonna take this bus right here. Empty road. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.